Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear Reverend brothers and sisters, welcome to my another episode, and today I am going to talk about academic writing, especially non-standard expressions as well as standard expressions. So let's get started. Standard expressions or non-standard expressions. Frankly speaking, there is now an increasing tendency to use non-standard words or expressions, particularly in informal language, but not in formal language. It needs no telling that standard words or standard expressions are always used in formal language. So, notice the following sentences. Informal. Can I have a cuppa? Formal. Could I have a cup of tea? Informal. How about a coffee? Formal. How would you like the idea of taking a cup of coffee? Or how would you like the idea of drinking a cup of coffee? Informal. There is a ladies on this floor. Informal. Is there a ladies on this floor? Formal. Is there a women's toilet on this floor? Informal. Long time no see. Formal. I have not seen you for a long time. Formal. Informal. My bum's aching. Formal. I feel a pain in my buttocks. Informal. Hi, how's things? Formal. Hello, how are you? Informal. How many sugars in your tea? Informal. How many sugars in your tea? Formal. How many spoons of sugar would you like in your tea? How many spoons of sugar would you like in your tea? So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your cooperation and coordination. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share.